Good morning, folks. It's Tuesday, August the 23rd. We have left Getafe and we're now on our way to Picos for Hotel Infantado, and it showed us 272 miles, so we'll stop after 90, then another 90 to fill up, and it should take about 5 hours, but it's a pleasant day, sun shining. Now I've got through Madrid, the traffic's not too bad. It was chaos in Madrid, but anyway, we got through it. I don't know if you can see Daza just behind, and we're making good time now, so we will see you in a bit. So August the 23rd, Tuesday, managed to wait a little bit, get Daryl. He's now in front, scared himself I think on a couple of the corners, but I'm sure he'll be fine. Look at that view, folks, gorgeous. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that view. Wow. So, if any of you out there, and I'm sure I wouldn't class any of my videos as being a channel, I put these up for me and my brother to have those visual memories, and also, you know, the family, they can kind of see what our eyes have been seeing, and you know, because this is the trip to Picos and down to Getafe and then all the way down to Alicante. And you know, it's been a long journey, but well worth it for our first tour, and hopefully one of many. And yeah, so the family, I've got 3 kids grown up now and grandkids, and they'll be able to see what Grandad's been doing, and Grandpa. So yeah, just enjoy, as I certainly have and am and will do again. Picos is calling. I got a feeling that a few of the guys, when they've seen this, Reese, maybe your brother, Kyle, Big Rich, yeah, there's a few that might be thinking, tell you what, yeah, let's do something, challenge. And this certainly has been a challenge for a 54-year-old and a 56-year-old guy. I passed my test last September 21, August 22, riding all the way through Spain to Alicante and back. Not bad going, eh guys? So if I can do it, pretty damn sure everybody else can do it. Give it a go. It's incredible. Like I say, I wish I'd done it many years ago, but hey, it's better late than never. Let's get some motion lotion for the old Tiger, bless her. She's been doing well. See how much, I reckon about $20, €20. Dollars. Where am I getting dollars from? Oh dear. Grab myself, don't worry. Grab a Coke. DOS. Gracias. No. That's okay. Gracias. Adiós. Okay, we're here, guys. Hotel in Fantardo. Not bad. Well, guys, it's Tuesday, August the 23rd. We're just walking through Picos, and it's warm. Little street, loads of shops, and seeing what's going on. Restaurants everywhere. And we'll have a look and see what there is. Ice cream. Don't know. Yep. Pleasant. Crazy. Okay guys, it's Tuesday, August the 23rd, and as you can see on the table, you've got 3 pints, and the reason we've got 3 pints is because today is the anniversary of our late father's passing. 15 years today. So as we do on the anniversary, we all have a beer, including our late father. So cheers. Cheers, mate. Cheers. Cheers, Dad. Cheers, Dad. Cheers, Dad. And we'll do it every year. Cheers, Dad. Cheers, Dazza. We will see you soon, guys.